on 100. Y'all hoes hate. Drip on 100. Y'all hoes hate.
Good morning, it's Myrtle Beaches and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me as usual. Sorry, but yes, today I'm going to do it a little different. Now normally I just started off as showing y'all my outfit and getting dressed, but today I am going to do the whole shebang. I'm going to brush my teeth, wash my face with y'all, show you a little shower time, just a little bit, and yes, get fully ready with y'all. So let's get to it. Okay, so right here is where I always wash my hands before I get started with anything, especially brushing my teeth. I don't know why. In the morning I have to wake up and wash my hands. So that's what I'm doing right now. Washing. Rinsing it off. Grab me a paper towel. And okay, come on, girl. Okay, so next step, grab toothbrush and toothpaste. So that's what I'm doing right now. Got my toothbrush and my toothpaste. I always use either Crest or Colgate, the best, to keep my teeth white and squeaky. So get that together. Add a little water to my brush, add a little toothpaste. And let's brush these things. Come on, girl. All right.
Yeah. It's me. Blackout like the golf. She gone off them rocks. All black, that's my hat. Right down to my socks. All blacks on my block. Trap is all we got. Ballin' with no clock. I'm gon' shoot my shot. Had to take that risk. Now look at my wrist. Them niggas thought I missed. Now they call for bricks. Record labels pissed, cause I don't want
so now I have to do a little gargle. Don't ask me why I'm pouring it in my mouth like that, y'all. I just be doing dumb shit sometime. I could have used the cap on the thing, but oh well. Gotta get that mouthwash in. Get that breath smelling good. Get that done. It would take me so long to do stuff. I ain't never realized that. Okay, put the top back on it. I'm doing voiceovers today, y'all, because my family talks so much in the background. I got to block them out. So, yeah, I couldn't record the regular way today. It's hard recording with 5 other people in the house. Okay, so these are my simple cleansing wipes that I use. They are free of dyes, perfumes, all of that good stuff. And they're really good to use on your face. And that's what I use. So I'm wiping my face off, getting it together. Wipe my mascara off. They work really good on mascara and makeup. They get anything off. So that's what I'm doing. Wiping. Get out of the last night cruds out my eyes. So next step is, what I do? Come on, girl. What is you doing? Okay. Witch hazel. So, I'm going to grab, oh my God, if you don't get it's so hard to avoid voiceovers. Okay, so I'm grabbing my cotton rounds, 100% cotton, only use cotton on your face. So I'm grabbing those, gonna put a little witch hazel on it. The best, it gets all of the excess dirt that my wipe didn't get. So that's what I'm using. Wipe the rest of my face off. Get it together. Get it together. You done, girl? Yep, look at all the excess dirt off of there. See? All right. Now, guess what time it is? Shower time. Yeah, grab my supplies, head to the bathroom. Now I'm in the shower. Quick little shower vid. Okay, bye. Now I'm back. Okay, so I forgot to show y'all that I only use Dove sensitive skin on my body. Only. So now it is time to oil up. So I'll be right back, y'all. Oh, I forgot. I explained it. I said this is the best. And I don't know why I bit that skin off my lip last night, so it turned it red. So yeah. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back once again. I'm in my bathroom sitting on the toilet. That's the best angle I could get. And this is a palette that I bought from Ulta Beauty. Just trying to show you. Now I'm just about to do my little simple makeup. Mascara, eyeliner. That's about it. That's all I know how to do. So I'm about to do my little makeup real quick. Get it together. I look like a cone head. My ponytail sitting up in my bonnet like that. Made me look like a cone. Beavis and butthead looking at that girl. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Hold on. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Probably some clumsy shit. Girl, come on here. Damn. Okay, so now I got it together. Look, I done dug the eyeshadow out by mistake. I think that's what I was doing. Trying to clean my mess up. So, I'm about to choose either that color or that color. Which most likely I'll choose that one. So, now it's time to get it cracking. Put this little eyeshadow on my eyeball. Come on, girl. Brown skin girl. Ooh. Brown skin girl. Hoo. I'm just playing, y'all. I ain't gonna sing. I would sing, y'all, but I ain't gonna sing because I know I sound like a cat that's getting stomped on. So, yeah. Doing my eyeshadow. Getting it together. I guess I'll play some music for y'all. Hold on. Okay, so right here, I'm just putting on my favorite accessories, my hoop earrings. I love my gold hoop earrings. Put those on. Let me grab my gold watch. That's also my favorite. I love gold accessories. I very rarely wear silver. Fuck, I can't talk. But yeah. So that's it for the face part. That's about it. All right. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm back. This is my new clothing rack that my sister bought me for Christmas. Okay, so I have 3 outfits on here, and I have the shoes on the bottom. Well, some of the shoes on the bottom that I might wear. So I don't know which outfit I'm gonna put on, but I'm about to see. That's why I pulled out all 3 of them, so I'm gonna be looking all over the place. So I'm gonna put that white shirt with that blue jean skirt, and I forgot to get these socks, but I'm gonna get the socks in a minute. I ain't gonna worry about that. So this is like a yellow, what you want to call this? I don't know what you want to call it, but it's silky and it's really cute. It has the I'm gonna put the yellow crop top on up under if I wear this one with these blue jeans and these boots. I don't know if y'all can see them down here, but that'll be cute together. So that's one. This is the next one. It's just a blue jean skirt with this. It's like a crop top, but it's not a crop top. It's not about right here, right above my belly button. But this skirt is high-waisted, so it'll cover it up. So that's that. And I'm gonna wear, if I wear that one, I'm gonna put it with these Pumas. Really pretty. Oh, I'm about to drop it. These. Okay. So that's one. Oh yeah. This scarf will go with this yellow outfit, if that's the one that I picked. And then I got these white high-waisted bell-bottom jeans I got from Fashion-weirdo, and this zebra print crop top. I think that'll be cute. I haven't found no shoes to go with this yet, but I don't know if I'm wearing this one, so hold on, let me see. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I chose the one with the jean skirt and the white crop top and my Pumas, and I added my slouch socks with it or whatever. I'm gonna have to put a picture up to the side so y'all can see the whole thing, because I'm trying to show you my whole body, but you know, it's so far back from the camera, I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, it's cute, it's sporty, and it's chill, because I was gonna go all out, but since school just started back, you know, I'm gonna be a little chill, I'm gonna be a little, you know, cool or whatever. So this is pretty much the finished look. Let me see if I need to, since it's kind of cold outside, I don't know what jacket I'm gonna put on, but, oh, that's a good question. I didn't think about that. Then my legs gonna be out, so I'm gonna have to put on something pretty warm. Let me see if my fur jacket will go, or if it's throwing it off, because this jacket kind of cream. I guess it'll have to go for today, huh? I don't know what purse I'm gonna put on. What purse I'm gonna put on? Maybe this one. How this look? Maybe, because I have a little pink purse that'll match the pink in my sneakers, but it's so small I won't be able to fit nothing in it. Like nothing. And I don't feel like, ooh, see, look, start grabbing stuff, everything wanna start falling. Okay, so yeah, I might just do this purse. Just giving it a, you know, cream and brown mixture, I guess. And if I hadn't already said it, excuse my nails. I was gonna try to go to the nail shop today, but I ain't gonna have time because I gotta go up to the school and validate for my classes or whatever. So yeah, I'm not gonna have time to do that today. So all I'm about to do now is trade out purses, because I have a mustard purse with all my stuff in it, but I'm gonna trade it to this purse since this is the purse I'm wearing for today. And that is the end of the video. I hope you all like, comment, and subscribe. And see y'all next time. Peace.